Enter your text here. Tea bags for your eyes, fact or fiction? Welcome to the video, guys. I hope you are fine. Soothing tired eyes with a cold tea bag is a popular home remedy. But does it work? Let's delve into the science behind this common practice. Understand the benefits of tea bags. While scientific research specifically on tea bags for the eyes is limited, the potential benefits can be attributed to the components found in tea. 1. Antioxidants. Many teas, particularly green and black, are rich in antioxidants. These compounds have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and swelling. 2. Tannins. These compounds have astringent properties that can temporarily tighten skin, potentially reducing puffiness around the eyes. 3. Caffeine. Caffeine in black and green tea can constrict blood vessels, helping to diminish the appearance of dark circles. How tea bags work. Cold compress. The tea bag's cold temperature helps constrict blood vessels, reducing puffiness and dark circles. 2. Soothing properties. The antioxidants and tannins in tea can calm irritated eyes and reduce inflammation. Eyes issues and tea bags. While not a substitute for medical treatment, tea bags can provide temporary relief for 1. Puffy eyes. The cold temperature and astringent properties can help reduce swelling. 2. Dark circles. Caffeine can help constrict blood vessels, making dark circles less noticeable. 3. Redness. Anti-inflammatory properties can soothe irritated eyes. 3. Dry eyes. Some teas, like chamomile, have hydrating properties that can alleviate dryness. Cautions and considerations. Eye hygiene. Always use clean tea bags and avoid touching your eyes with dirty hands. 2. Allergies. If you have allergies to tea or any of its components, avoid using tea bags on your eyes. 3. Persistent issues. If eye problems persist, consult an ophthalmologist. Final words. While tea bags can temporarily relieve common eye issues, they should not replace professional medical care. For persistent or worsening eye problems, it is essential to consult an eye doctor.